Hello and welcome to another episode of Math with Sohn. Today we're going to be dealing with a relatively basic topic, dealing with the acronym FOIL, how to FOIL. And FOIL technically stands for first, outer, inner, and last. And there are really two types of FOIL problems that you could ever be presented, one of which is the normal one, where you got something like x plus 1 times 2x minus 7. And the other one is still a FOIL problem. It's something like x plus 3 squared. Okay? So FOIL really just means that you're going to be doing a double distribution. So we're going to start with actually the x plus 1 and 2x minus 7. And we're going to be distributing twice. We're going to distribute the x to both terms. So x times 2x makes 2x squared. And x times negative 7 makes negative 7x. And then the 1 to both terms as well. So 1 times 2x is 2x. And 1 times negative 7 is just negative 7. FOIL problems like this normally will have common terms in the middle or like terms in the middle that you're going to have to combine. So in this case, we have a negative 7x and a positive 2x. And those two terms, because they are similar, are going to combine. We're going to end up with negative 7 positive 2, which is negative 5x minus 7. And that, my friends, is FOILed. It's done. We've multiplied it out. That's all FOILing is double distribution and multiplying the terms together. Now the other one is actually a little bit easier, but people always make the mistake of just distributing that squared. You cannot distribute the squared. Do not distribute that squared. A wrong answer is x squared plus 9. That is absolutely wrong. What you need to do is anything squared is multiplied by itself. So you need to write out the x plus 3 times another x plus 3. And then you have a normal FOIL problem. So we're going to end up distributing twice. We're going to distribute the x to both terms. X times x, easy, x squared. X times 3, also easy, 3x. After we get that, we need to distribute the 3 to both terms. 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times 3 makes 9. And again, in this case, the two terms in the middle are going to combine. It doesn't always happen, but it is very, very common for that to occur. 3x and 3x combine to make 6x and 9. And there we have it, our final answer for FOIL. We're going to do one more problem. This one is a little more difficult and just a little longer, really. So we are going to continue FOILing, but instead of just having a binomial, 2 terms times 2 terms, we are going to have a binomial, a 2-termed expression, x plus 3, times a trinomial. So I wrote x squared plus 4x minus 5 in this case. Now for this problem, the acronym FOIL doesn't really apply. A lot of people still call it FOILing because it's still the same act of multiplying out two things that are bigger. But you're going to just distribute twice. It's still a double distribution. You're going to take the x and multiply by all three terms. X times x squared makes x to the third. X times 4x makes 4x squared. And x times negative 5 makes negative 5x. After we're done distributing the x, don't forget to distribute the 3 to all of the other things. So 3 and x squared, that's 3x squared. 3 and 4x, 12x. And 3 and negative 5, negative 15. In this case, you will have normally more than one thing that you can combine. In this case, it is the 4x squared and the 3x squared, they're both x squared, they can combine. And when you do that, you're going to end up with 7x squared. And the other thing that combines is the negative 5x and the 12x in this case. So it's still in the middle, but they're separated this time. The other things that just don't combine is the x to the third and the 15. They're just going to drop down. So we end up with x to the third just dropping down. It's got no friends. Sad. We have 4x squared and 3x squared. Combine, you get 7x squared. Negative 5 and positive 12x combine, 7x. And then don't forget about the 15. That 15 is lonely. It just drops down, becomes negative 15, and it's complete. That is foiled out for us. All right? So just a little quick review of foiling here. Until next time, have a good day, and I will see you later. Bye.